I'm about to show you how you can earn serious money just like this, and we're starting right now. Recently, while researching faceless YouTube channels for inspiration, I stumbled upon something surprising. I found a faceless channel that simply shares adorable and funny animal clips, and people just can't get enough. They've only posted 36 videos, but their subscriber count? A staggering 96. 6K. That's huge, right? Now, here's where it gets interesting. According to Social Blade, this channel is making over $4,000 every single month from these simple videos. If you sort their videos by popularity, you'll see they get tons of views, proving that this niche still has massive potential. And guess what? You don't even need to make your own animal videos to replicate this. I'll show you the easiest way to source these videos without worrying about copyright, so you can monetize them on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and even Facebook. It's easier than you think. So hit that like and subscribe button, grab a drink, and let's dive in. Alright, let's start by finding some cute animal videos, and for that, we're going to tap into popular Chinese apps. There are plenty, like Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, Qishu, and Xiaohongshu, all packed with adorable animal content. We'll be using the Xiaohongshu app, but feel free to choose whichever you prefer. Here's how to get started. Head to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search for Xiaohongshu, and download it. If it's not available in your region, just use a VPN. Once you've registered, you'll land on an interface where you need to select up to 4 interests. Here's a quick tip. Make sure to choose pets and animals as your first interest, then select the other 3. This way, you'll be flooded with trending animal videos. You can also find more animal content by exploring the app's pets category. Focus on videos with high engagement, lots of likes, comments, and at least 100,000 views. That's where the real gold is. In this tutorial, let's grab 2 videos, one with adorable cats or dogs that includes captions or subtitles, and another without any. This way, I can show you how to easily remove those Chinese subtitles. Let's dive in and find some videos. Alright, I found this great video that has no captions, so let's start by downloading it. To do this, tap the share icon at the top right, then click Copy Link. This will copy the video link to your clipboard. Now, head over to the video description and click the download link provided. You'll land on a page with multiple downloaders for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more. Check the top menu and you'll see that we can also extract videos from Chinese apps like Douyin, Xiaohongshu, and Bili. The best part? This tool is fast, free, and requires no sign up. I'll click the Xiaohongshu option since that's where we got the video link. Now, paste the link, click submit, and boom, here's the thumbnail of the video. You can even save it as an image, but we're here for the video, so let's click Save Video to download it. Next, let's find the second video with captions or subtitles. I found a perfect one, so we'll just repeat the steps to download it. Now, it's time to repurpose the videos we downloaded. To make them stand out, we'll edit and add some humor and originality. First, let's get a funny caption or subtitle for our first video. Here's a trick. We'll ask our trusty friend, ChatGPT, for a humorous caption. To get the best result, I describe the scenes in the video to ChatGPT, and it generates short, funny captions in seconds. I'll share my go-to prompt in the video description for you to use. As you can see, ChatGPT has come up with some captions in under 10 seconds. You might wonder why adding captions is important. Well, a witty caption not only makes the video unique and original, but also boosts its humor and engagement, encouraging viewers to like and comment as they watch. Now that we've got our caption, let's move on to editing. Don't worry, it's super simple. All we're going to do is add our unique caption using CapCut, a beginner-friendly and free editing tool. First, open CapCut and start a new project by clicking the New Project button. Then, rename your project and be sure to change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for short-form content. Hit Save. And now, import the video we downloaded. Simply drag the video to the timeline or click the plus icon to add it. Let's get editing. Alright, we've got our video on the timeline and ready for editing. Since it has no captions, we're going to remove the original sound to avoid copyright strikes and add our own audio and captions. Let's start by removing the sound. Right-click on the video, select Extract Audio, and then click on the audio track and hit Delete on your keyboard. Now it's time to add your own audio. Click on Audio in the top menu, select Commercial, and search for the music you want. Add it to the track by clicking the plus icon. If the audio is longer than the video, no worries. Just drag the playhead to the end of the video, click on the audio track, and press W on your keyboard to trim it to match the video length. Next, let's add our funny caption. I'll grab one from ChatGPT. I like this one, copy it, and head back to CapCut. Drag the playhead to where you want the caption to appear. I want mine at the beginning, so I'll drag it to the start of the video. Now, click text from the top menu, hit the plus icon, and paste or type your caption. You can adjust the font, size, color, and even choose from some presets to make it stand out. Let me make a few quick adjustments, and I'll show you the final result. Alright, let's check out the final result. Looks great, right? Now to save it to your device, simply click Export. If you haven't already, name your project, choose the location where you want to save the video, set the frame rate to 60 FPS, and hit Export. Now, let's move on to editing the second video, the one with Chinese captions or subtitles. First, import the video and add it to the timeline. To translate those Chinese captions into English, we need to grab the text. The easiest way to do this is by taking a screenshot of the first scene with text. It's simpler than you think. Just press the Windows key plus print screen to capture it. Next, use the tool linked in the video description to upload your screenshot. After uploading, click Submit and extract the text. As you can see, it's pulled the Chinese text from the image. Now, let's translate it into English using Google Translate or ChatGPT. I'll use both to compare. First, let's go to Google Translate, select English, and paste the Chinese caption. Voila! We've got the English translation and it fits the video perfectly. Now, let's try ChatGPT. I'll ask it to translate the Chinese text by pasting it after a simple prompt. Let's see how the results compare. Right, it looks like both translations are pretty similar, but I'm going with the one ChatGPT gave us. Let's copy that and head back to CapCut. Before adding the caption, let's play the video.
特种兵式洗狗 引导你的傻狗主动进入陷阱
As you can hear, there's a voiceover, so we'll need to add one too. It's super easy to do right in CapCut. First, click on Text and add the new caption. Adjust the font size, style, and colors to make sure it looks clean and doesn't take up too much screen space. To cover the old caption, we'll add a background to our new text. Just choose a preset that works best for you and adjust it to perfectly overlay the old caption. Now, let's add the voiceover. Click on the text and you'll see text-to-speech on the right. Click that, choose a voice you like, and hit Start Reading. You can also use other tools like 11 Labs or Clipchamp if you prefer. Next, play the video again to check for any other captions. Here's another one. I'll take a quick screenshot and repeat the same steps to translate it to English. Let me do this quickly so we can move on. After a few minutes, let's see the result.
Special Forces style dog washing. Guide your silly dog to willingly walk into the trap.
Looks good. Now that you've got the process down, it's time to take action. Start your YouTube Shorts channel today and begin uploading your content. This niche has massive potential, and if you stay consistent and avoid burnout, success is within your reach. Remember, YouTube success is a journey, not a sprint. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing. Your breakthrough moment could be just around the corner. And don't forget to subscribe. Our upcoming videos will show you how to build a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Let's get started.